Well, hi everybody. Thank you for attending today. As mentioned, I'm Simon Gamble, one of the founders of Mako, and it's my pleasure to be here. Before I get started, I was here last year, and I really thought the scale event was absolutely top-notch. This one's even better. I didn't think it would be able to be done like this, but you guys, your team, have done an amazing job. I did this last year, but I really think everybody should give a round of applause for all the people at scale that have worked behind the scenes to make this what it is. For me, it was easy from the moment I rolled up, went to the various events, had a great time meeting people. So thank you to everybody who we don't see up on stage today. I, for one, appreciate it, and I'm sure everybody else here does as well. So my goal today is to get you to think about network as well as, or when you think about edge compute. Because without network, all of the fancy, sexy, fun stuff doesn't work. You need a strong foundation to build all the things that people are talking about today. Before I get started, a little quiz. Does anybody know what that cityscape is up on the slide? Does anyone want to take a guess? Anyone? Right, I'm going to sit down here. It's not Australia. Got it. Okay. So that's Auckland. We had a Chicago one up, but I thought it would be cool to put a New Zealand one up. I don't know if anybody's been there. Most people have sort of vaguely heard about it through Lord of the Rings. Sadly, that's where I'm from, and that's where Mako's from. We started this company back in 2000 in that city, and we still have most of our development work happening there. It's a great place, and if you get a chance, you should visit. But let's get on to why we're all here this week. We're here because of the emerging opportunities for computing and networking at the edge. The really exciting thing about it is edge is big now, and it's a buzz, but it's scheduled to grow 10 times between now and 2032. And whether you're a scale partner or a scale customer, you're already ahead of the curve on this. You've already recognized the opportunity at the edge, and you've invested in Scale, the industry's most powerful and flexible edge computing platform. And no doubt you've invested in it to help you streamline your operations, deliver better customer experiences, drive revenue, and grow your and your customers' businesses. And that's a smart thing to do. And as we'll no doubt see through this event, there's some amazing things that we can all do with edge. It's really fantastic. And some of the obvious ones are shown up here. We can build the store of tomorrow, where people can virtually try on clothing and receive personalized promotions. We can build the restaurant of the future, where people can very quickly order automatically using conversational AI, which can really streamline people's businesses. We can build connected clinics with instant in-store healthcare lab results. The possibilities that edge compute can deliver are frankly endless. And they're really limited, in my opinion, by two things. One is a lack of imagination. In conversations I've had here, I don't think there's any shortage of that in this room. You guys are all ahead of the adoption curve, and you're thinking about how to do things better at the edge. But the other limiting factor is a lack of networking that's as simple, scalable, seamless, and secure as the Scale platform that we're all using. In other words, for a lot of people and for a lot of deployments, the network is slowing them down. It's hindering the ability to strong edge platform. It's a lot like trying to drive a souped-up race car 100 miles an hour on a dirt road. It can get super messy super quick. And your data and delivery can get bogged down. There's a real problem. Legacy infrastructure and patchwork point solutions, they don't provide the reliability, visibility, or manageability needed to provide real-time, data-driven experiences persistently and profitably. I've seen a lot of network rooms that look like this. I don't know about you, the worst one I've seen was a trash can used as a network rack with everything piled in it and cables falling out. So if you have a customer with a network like that, there's a saying that's probably not fit for here. So what is the solution? You need to connect the powerful high availability edge computing platform to an equally powerful networking solution. And you guessed it, you need the Scale Compute platform and the Mako system. Scale Computing is obviously the leading edge computing platform, and Mako is the leading edge networking platform. Think of them together. There's a reason we're partnered here. We're going together to market to provide a best-of-breed solution for edge computing and networking that delivers the high availability edge computing and secure edge networking that you and your customers need. Both of our technologies are cloud-managed, role-aware, and designed to be able to simply and easily manage hundreds or thousands or tens of thousands of locations. There's no on-site IT personnel required for either of our technologies. And we have coordinated sales and technical support. And there are people in this room that we're already doing amazing things with, virtualizing point-of-sale systems and the Mako platform on scale systems to deploy to tens of thousands of retailers, as one example. Now, to be fair, there's probably a bunch of all-in-one solutions you could use, but the trade-off for ease of use is typically poor performance. To drive faster and smarter, you need the best of breed edge computing and edge networking that gives you both ease of use and high performance without compromise. And that's why Scale and Mako chose to partner. Like Scale, Mako is the best of breed in technology and, very importantly, service. The Mako system enables you to effortlessly create always-on, secure, PCI-compliant networks. If anyone's deploying to retailers or is a retailer, the payment card industry data security standard is a burden, but it's something that has to be addressed. And Mako is the only networking system that has a PCI DSS against the underlying technology itself, rather than a service overlay. So it makes it very simple to deploy to retailers. It's designed to connect and manage thousands of sites via the cloud management system, just like the Scale Computing platform. I'd like you to think of Mako as your secret weapon. It gives you unprecedented visibility into what's going on in your networks and your customers' networks. Make it simple and easy to troubleshoot issues or optimize the environment to deliver better customer experiences. All of which results in better customer retention and revenue growth for everybody. If you're an end user, you'll get amazing visibility and control of your own network through our cloud management platform. Together, the Scale Compute platform and Mako system deliver a solution to everybody that is easy to deploy, delivers high availability for applications and networking that is PCI DSS certified, and provides a complete remote management system that's ideal for today's distributed enterprise edge. Scale and Mako offer significant advantages compared to other solutions. Both of our technologies can be shipped to a location and do not require an on-site technician if the customer doesn't want it. Once plugged in, they can be managed completely remotely, and in fact are designed to be managed entirely remotely. Neither technology requires any on-site technical expertise, but is delivering high technology to these businesses for them to be able to benefit from. They're easier to use, scale efficiently, and are affordable. The Mako solution, for example, is sold as a service. It has no upfront costs to a customer, which greatly reduces any barrier to entry and can make it easier for a customer to pallet getting rid of an unusable and frankly terrible network without any massive upfront cost. Together, we offer maximum return for minimum effort, which enables you to spend time, if you're a Scale partner and hopefully Mako partner, supporting strategic initiatives because your foundation is solid. One of the biggest advantages over the competition that both Scale and Mako have is our commitment to customer support. We have the same ethos around making sure that our customers receive first-class support the first time and all the time. We're culturally aligned to deliver cohesive solution and support to our customers. We're both customer-oriented, we listen and are all about solving problems, and our customers are our biggest fans. You know, a lot of customers out there, if they get the opportunity to get an average solution with first-class support versus amazing technology with really crappy support, will always or should always choose the one with the product with the best support. With Scale and Mako, you're getting both the best technologies and the best support. Both Scale and Mako are partner-led. We're working in lockstep to deliver a joint solution, and we're going to market together. There is a single point of escalation and no finger pointing. Both of our technologies allow both of our help desks to very quickly determine if an issue that a customer is having is ours or theirs, and warm handshake customers over and deliver proper consolidated support, which I think is probably one of the most important things that a vendor can deliver. So, compared to what you might be used to with point solutions, we're looking pretty good, right? To top it off, our solutions work best at scale. No pun intended, maybe a little bit. Large, multi-location deployments are our specialty. Mako is deployed at some of the world's largest companies. I think we're in about 33% of the Fortune 50 companies today. In fact, if any of you have filled up your car with gas in the last few years, the chances are very high that your credit card and loyalty traffic is running over Mako. We work equally well, however, with managed service providers who are looking after tens, hundreds, or thousands of small sites. So anybody that either has a lot of sites or is trying to look after a lot of sites efficiently and deliver first-class service to their customers, please think about us. So if you've got an opportunity in mind or want to learn more about how our combined technologies can fit your business or your customer's business, we'd love to talk to you. We've got a small team of Mako people here. We have a booth and would love to see you tonight over drinks and so forth. Appreciate it.